Certainly, the pyramids of Egypt are one of the most iconic and fascinating archaeological wonders in the world. Let's delve a bit deeper into the topic. 1. Varieties of pyramids. Egypt is famous for its pyramid structures, built primarily as tombs for pharaohs and other high-ranking individuals. The most well-known pyramid complexes are located at Giza, which includes the Great Pyramid, the Pyramid of Khafre, and the Pyramid of Menkaure. 2. Great Pyramid of Giza, also known as the Pyramid of Khufu, Cheops. The Great Pyramid is the largest and most famous pyramid in Egypt. It was constructed during the reign of Pharaoh Khufu in the 26th century BC and is believed to have been built over a period of around 20 years. 3. Construction techniques. The construction of pyramids involved massive labor forces, likely consisting of skilled laborers, craftsmen, and farmers who worked during the Nile's inundation season. The exact techniques used to move and position the massive limestone and granite blocks are still debated by historians. 4. Tombs and afterlife. The pyramids were constructed as monumental tombs to house the bodies and belongings of pharaohs and other important figures for their journey to the afterlife. The chambers within the pyramids contained burial sarcophagi, various grave goods, and inscriptions from the pyramid texts. 5. Architectural significance. The pyramids showcased the advanced architectural and engineering knowledge of the ancient Egyptians. The precision with which they aligned the structures and their durability over millennia are remarkable achievements. 6. Pyramid complexes. The pyramids were part of larger complexes that included mortuary temples, causeways, valley temples, and sometimes smaller pyramids for family members. These complexes were used for religious rituals and ceremonies. 7. Decline and aftermath. Pyramid building gradually declined in the later periods of ancient Egypt. The later pyramids are smaller and less complex than their predecessors. The reasons for this decline are multifaceted, including economic, political, and religious changes. 8. Archaeological exploration. Archaeological exploration and research continue to reveal new insights about the construction techniques, purposes, and social aspects related to the pyramids. 9. Tourism and cultural significance. The pyramids are not only of archaeological and historical importance but are also significant to modern Egyptian culture and tourism. They draw millions of visitors each year, making them an integral part of Egypt's cultural heritage. 10. UNESCO World Heritage Sites. The pyramid complexes at Giza, along with other ancient Egyptian sites, have been designated as UNESCO World Heritage Sites, recognizing their global significance. The Egyptian pyramids remain awe-inspiring structures that provide a window into the advanced civilization of ancient Egypt and their beliefs about life, death, and the afterlife. They continue to captivate the imagination of people from all walks of life and are a testament to human ingenuity and achievement.